Hey everyone, I'm Ram and I work with the Cloud App team. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create preview projects using a new YAML builder. Firstly, let me explain why you need this feature through an illustrative example. I am running a home-cooked food delivery app hosted on Hasura Cloud. In my local dev environment, I have prototyped a live delivery tracking feature. Before deploying the new feature to production, I want to share a prototype with my team. This is where preview apps will help me. Let's first watch preview apps in action. So this is the application I have hosted on Hasura Cloud now. It has a few APIs like dishes, order items, orders, and so on. And in my local Hasura instance, I've prototyped a new API for live deliveries called deliveries. So now I would want to create a prototype that can be hosted on Hasura Cloud so that my other teammates can use it and build stuff on top of it. So I've already set up preview project workflows in my GitHub repo. So creating a preview project out of this is as easy as creating a PR. So let me just go ahead and create a PR. So I'm on a feature branch, and as you can see, there are some changes to the metadata and migrations. Let me add them to a commit. And I'll push. Okay, so my changes have been pushed. Let me go to my repo and create a pull request. Compare and pull request. A pull request has been created, and you'll see that a new workflow has been triggered. This workflow is going to create a Hasura Cloud app, which is based on the current state of the repo. So this workflow takes about 3 minutes to complete. While this is going on, let's see how we can set up our own preview app workflows. So to set up your own preview app workflows, you would need to fulfill a few prerequisites. So you would need a local Hasura instance, of course, linked to a GitHub repo, and you would need an ephemeral database that is accessible online. The URI of this database would be added as a secret in your GitHub repo. And you would also need a Hasura Cloud personal access token. This too would go into your GitHub repo as a secret. Once you fulfill the prerequisites, you can use our YAML builder and create your GitHub YAML. So this is the YAML builder we have now. And to generate a YAML of this, you need to fill a form with some basic information like the repository name and the directory in your repo in which you have the Hasura data. And you need to provide the region in which your Hasura Cloud preview app will be deployed. So it could be a free tier region or a standard tier region. If you choose a standard tier region, you would need to have a payment method set up. So let me choose a free tier region. And you can also enter the environment variables that you want to be added in your Hasura Cloud preview project. And you also have the option to set up databases, which I'll enable now. So to connect your app to a database, you would need to provide the connection URI of your database. This URI can be linked from the secret that you set up in your GitHub repo. So I'll use this template to make sure that the Postgres connection URI is picked up from the GitHub repo secrets. And you could also add some environment variables related to your database. Okay, I'll also go ahead and create a new environment variable for my Hasura Cloud project called PG database URL and link it to the Postgres connection URI secret. And once you've filled in all the details, you just click on the generate YAML button, and ta-da, you have your YAML generated. Now, all you need to do is copy this YAML and paste it in your GitHub repo under the folder .github/workflows in a file called Hasura Cloud Preview App.yml. So once you do this and you push this code to your repo, any subsequent pull request that is made to your repo will automatically trigger the creation of a preview project. Okay. So let's go back to our repo and see if our preview project has been created. Yes, as we can see here, the workflow has completed, which means that our preview project must be ready right now. So yeah, a new project has been created and let's launch it. So you should be able to see the new API available in the preview project. Yes, there's one more API here for deliveries, and compared to the base version, which doesn't have this, we have the prototype, which has a new API. Now you could share your project with your teammates or anyone, and they could use it to build more features on top of it. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Please drop in your questions and I'll be happy to answer them.